Hello everyone, Marvin Baldomero here from my Bulacan. I'd like to tell you about the ideology of MMM. Have you ever asked yourself this question? Why do some people work less but live better? Or most people work harder yet they remain poor? The modern world is bad. It is inhumane, unfair and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for common people. It is for those who produce money, for bankers, financial government, and millionaires. Ordinary people are just working for them. Why do bankers, financiers, and rich people work less? It's 100 times more, while the poor into such a hand labor, and yet they remain poor. You're right, the rich people get richer, and the poor get poorer. It didn't happen by accident. It was decided and controlled by the rich and powerful. They gave greater power to the rich and worsening condition of the people. But what if I tell you that our alien financial society can be healed? Yes, our financial imbalance can be fixed because freedom is in our hands. Financial freedom is underway with the emergence of MMM. Financial apocalypse is inevitable. Groundworks had been laid, grains had been sown, and it's continuously growing, bigger, larger, and it's unstoppable. In fact, many people are already enjoying it as more and more people are voluntarily providing help. So, what is MMM, or Marlboro Mundial Movement? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Millions of people from different countries have already registered in our community. We donate money when we can do it, and we get money when we need it. MMM is not a company and it does not have an account where participants have transfer money to. MMM is a social network that connects the one who want to donate money and the one who want to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. MMM gives you a technical basic training with help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transfer funds to another participants are your help, given by your own goodwill to another one. If you are completely confident and certain in your action, and make your mind to participate, we kindly ask you to study carefully our warnings and instruction first. In cases of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer all your questions. MMM openly declare that all the money is redistributed between members and is not invested in any business, project, and securities. Relations between participants of MMM are built on not contract and obligation, but on trust and mutual respect. This allows the community to adapt quickly to changing external and internal conditions. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who want to donate money and the one who want to get help. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system, no central account. MMM is a self-managed community by participants. To register, it's free. MMM is a voluntary and responsible. onliners community. This is Sergey Mabrodi, is founder of MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mabrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer, and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of Russian parliament. He literally worked were published in their sold in bookstore. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. Information about MMM. MMM is a global widespread, thanks to Bitcoin technology and Internet, 128 million members in 107 countries in 4 years of activities and more than $14 billion assistance provided worldwide. MMM, the fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. The goal of MMM: help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating a new fair financial relationship among people. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of righteousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contract or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when we are able to do it. MMM advantage: 30% members reward per month for your providing help, plus 10% members development bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM, your friends, relatives, acquaintances, etc. Plus $20, plus $50, $100 members bonuses for first help, plus 5% members for your videos of happiness after get help, plus a lot of bonuses from MMM Money School. Development bonus: 10% members bonus. You get 10% members from all provide help of the participant you invited. Inviting new participants into the community is your additional contribution to its development, but nobody forces the member of community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that the MLM community can exist without development and participants' encouragement in the form of referral bonuses to motivate many people to take an active position. MMM Guider Schooling: managers of the MMM community can create their structure and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. A manager can have his own leader who rank is higher. Manager bonus depend on his level in the community. Get your manager certificate to be entitled to many opportunity and benefits in MMM. Create your own offline event and charity event to receive budget from the MMM community. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested, please log into my referral link. So together we change the world.